Hey guys, awesome. I just wanted to show that I got my 22 Ford Raptor 37 performance package, and I am going to be putting on the RPG 5-link rear suspension components, Raptor Performance Group, and I am not advertising for them, but this is just what I'm putting on to my Raptor, and I'm going to show you before and after. And then I did install the rear panhard cross bar, which looks super cool. Anyway, and it's anodized the Fox orange that will be matching the Fox shocks. I just want to do a before video kind of to show you what I'll be putting on, and then once I'm complete, then I will do another video. And what's cool about this is just a bolt plug and play type installation, no alignment needed, not anything like that. So that's what's kind of cool. It isn't too complicated, which I like, but these will be replacing those rear swing arms. So super cool, love the truck. Been searching and searching to get the 37 package. That's what I like, which the 37 package is the awesome 37-inch wheels and tires. Sorry, 37-inch tires, 17-inch wheels. So I'm going to be doing that. Got the Agate black. I was considering the code orange, but this one came first. So this is what I have. So awesome, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching or checking it out. And I'm going to put it on, and then I'll make another video showing what it looks like afterwards. Awesome. All right, thanks, guys.